Winner of the Nebula Award, winner of the Hugo Award, winner of the Alex Award, winner of the Locus Award, and winner of My Heart. Hi everyone, I am Grace and I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I am going to talk about my 5th e-audiobook of the day. And this one is called All Systems Read by Martha Wells, and it is part of the Murderbot series. So this takes place in the future, and it's about a robot who is part machine and part organic, and it is a security unit, also known as SEC unit. And this is a company robot that is hired to protect a group of scientists in a distant planet. So what's special about this SEC unit is that it has hacked itself, so it has no government module, which basically means that no one can control it or tell it what to do. It does everything through its own free will. And what does this free-willed SEC unit want to truly do? It wants to download music, download entertainment, download soap operas from all over the world and just watch it all day. You'll come to learn that while you think all robots are cold and calculating, this robot is actually insecure, gloomy, socially awkward, and incredibly human. Thank you for watching. Tune in next week for book number 6. Comment and like and follow. Thank you. Bye.